Hope you are fine and doing well. Here is the beach hotel microgrid design for the assignment of Myanmar station. This is the assignment for which we have to design the microgrid for four different zones. So here you can see that there are four zones. The zone 1 has two classes, class 1 and 2, with 10 hotels each. And in zone 2 there are three classes, and each class has 5 and third class has 10 hotels. Same as zone 3 and zone 4. So the purpose is to design the four zones in Simulink using this required data. And here you can see that the library components also available, in which solar array and energy storage and variable load diesel generator. Or here is the topology for all four hotel zones. So let's see how we can make it on smart grid. Here you can see that here is the final model for all the four zones. Like in zone 1, here you can see that there are two classes, class 1 and class 2. Class 1 has 10 hotels and class 2 has 10 hotels. The same is for zone 2. The zone 2 has three classes, class 1, 2 and 3, and zone 3 has three hotels, three classes like 1, 2 and 4. The same as for zone 4. Zone 4 has three classes, class 1, 2 and 3, with 10, 4 and 2 hotels each. Okay. So here is the battery and diesel generator management using fuzzy logic control. Here is the fuzzy logic control model for all the battery management of this grid station. And here is the measurement for our system. Here is the data of all the loads which we make on Simulink. Like here is the data of winter, wind speed, summer, wind speed, winter, PV profile, etc. It is available on Excel file. And here you can see that the work is ready. So let's run in the second of 86,400 second. So let's run it and see what's the results. Here you can see that it is compiling. So when the compiling finish, then it will run. So let's wait for some minutes only. Here you can see that it is running. It is run. So let's see what's the value in scope. So let's have a look. Here you can see that it is showing winter season, and here is the PV profile, wind speed, and class 1, class 2 load, etc. Here you can see that. And if I move toward right, then here you can see that the total load and PV storage, diesel generator, wind power, etc. Okay. The same thing is that here you can see that the battery SOC, microgrid voltage, and more different graphs. Here you can see that. Okay. And in the last there is the battery management system, which is showing that distributed source. The graph of distributed source can be seen from here. So it is taking time to open. So until it will open, so let's see the full model view again. it is here you can see that the distributed source results. Okay, and here you can see that here is a fuzzy logic uh, control for charging and diesel generator running. Okay, questions like these questions: question 5, question 6, question 7, question 8, question 9, and question 10. So if you need the report with full solved with the 20 pages and 3000 words, so you can contact me with the details given in description of this video. So have a nice day, and hope we will back you will be in touch with me on my WhatsApp or email. So thank you very much.